Assalamu alaikum student. So student, it's a lecture 10 on electronic configuration. So for better understand the electronic configurations, you must have to see all the previous lecture, that is lecture 8, lecture 9 and lecture 10 together. Then you will understand the configuration better. These three lectures completely based on the electronic configuration, because our lecture is going so lengthy. That's why I took in a groups or in a part different parts. So from lecture 8 to 10 completely based on the electronic configuration, and for understanding you have to see these three lecture together. Okay, so in this lecture we will write the electronic configuration of different element given in your textbook page number 33. A table is given there in your textbook on page number 33, and if you remember we have solved 3 to 4 examples, 3 to 4 elements. We have find the electronic configuration, that is oxygen, sodium, helium and argon also. So let's take out page number 33 of your textbook. Take a pencil in your hand and start writing the electronic configurations. Okay, so in examples we have done configuration of helium, oxygen and sodium, and it's your job to write these elements configuration in this table. I will do all for you, but it's your homework to do it with your own. So let's start. Okay, so from carbon atom we will see. So see the table here. Here are some columns. In first there is given an atom and their symbols. In a second, that is hydrogen and its symbol is H, helium He, lithium, carbon, neon, oxygen, fluorine, nitrogen, sorry, it is nitrogen, it is neon Ne, sodium Na, chlorine Cl, argon and bromine. And it is in a next column, that is there are given a number of electrons. Helium contain 1, hydrogen contain 1, helium 2 and so on. And in the next column it is given the distribution of electron, which we have learned on the basis of 2n square level. So there are given three shells, shell K, shell L, M and N, and their capacity of electrons. And in a last column there is a electronic configuration in the numerical form like this. Okay, we have done on the basis of the structure. हमने एग्जाम्पल में स्ट्रक्चर भी ड्रॉ किया है और हमने डायरेक्टली भी लिखा है कॉन्फ़िगरेशन को न्यूमेरिकल मैनर्स में. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट सी द कार्बन एटम. Carbon atom, that is C, contain 6 electrons. So it is a job to solve or to find out the configuration. So what will, on the basis of first rule, the first shell will filled. So in a first shell the carbon atom contain 2 electrons, and the remaining 4 electrons. Now 4 electron left, so we have to put this 4 in a next shell, and we are doing stepwise. First shell will fill, then second. Now carbon atom has only 6 electrons, so it is completed here. 6 electron completed here, that is 2 and 4 6. So remaining M shell or N shell will empty. So the configuration of numerical method come like 2, 4. Okay, now let's see nitrogen atom having a 7 electrons. So first shell will come with 2, second have remaining 5. Okay, so second shell में 5 आएगा, then M और N will remain empty. So the configuration will comes to 5. Okay, so it's going to looks not good. So I have already done this table. See here, it is wrote properly for you, so but for better understanding, so let's solve it. Okay, so we have done the nitrogen now. So nitrogen's configuration is 2 5 2 comma 5. Now oxygen, which we have done in example, so oxygen's also having last two orbits empty here. So 2 comma 6, it's oxygen's electronic configuration. Now fluorine have the 9 electrons. So the first orbit comes with 2, that first K shell will fill with 2 electrons, then L shell fill with 7 electrons. 7 plus 2 is 9, then last two orbit will empty like others. So 2.7 is the configuration of the fluorine. Now next is neon. Neon की हमने example solve किया है. Neon having the 10 atom और 10 electrons. Then 10 को हमको distribute करना है तो 2 and 10. Here the third rule is also followed, that is last outermost orbit have a 2 electron, not more than 8. Then 2 orbit will empty, then the last final configuration is 2.2 comma 8. नाउ सी द सोडियम. सोडियम की भी हमने कर लिए थे. सो सोडियम में फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में के में 2, देन सेकेंड ऑर्बिट में 8 एंड लास्ट वन कंटेन 1 electron, and I told you that 2 9 is a wrong, because we have to follow the third rule, in which third rule says the outermost shell must have a 8 electron and cannot have more than 8. So it is configuration is like 2 8 1, that is sodium's electronic configuration is 281, that is 11 electron are there. Then chlorine having 17, so we can distribute it 2 8 and 7. So the configuration is 2 comma 8 comma 7. And one more thing, must put this in a commas. Okay, now argon 18, so 2 8 and 8, 10 plus 8 is 18. So the configuration of argon is 2 comma 8 comma 8. Now last is the bromine, that is 35. So we have to complete it. So the first rule, according to 2n square, the first shell contain 1 electron, second shells may contain 8, and the third come with 18. And here third rule is also followed, that is not more than 8 in a 7, that is 7 last shell, that is n shell having the capacity of 32 electron, but by distributing stepwise manner, the bromine contain remaining 7 electron will come in a next shell. So the configuration is 2 8 18 and 7. So the table is completed here, and you can also do the more example, because there are lots of elements. So hope you understood this much. The electronic configuration is completed here. Now we will see the next point, that is a valency, in our next lecture. Understood this much? So good luck. Allah Hafiz.